Adjusting rope length is super easy. We're going to grab our rope. So we've got the rope out at full length. As we've seen before, adjusting, you just push down the mechanism here, you hear the click, and you can slide it in. Or to pull it out to lengthen. If you want the rope a lot shorter, you're going to have to cut it. So that's the reason we have the opening at the back. Push down, extend, and just grab some wire cutters. And so you're able to tailor your rope to your length. No need to tie any knots or any of that silliness. No need to buy a brand new rope. You can just adjust it as you progress with your training. Switch it up one day, try something out another day. All right, hope that helps.